We're here today with none other than Denis, founder, CEO, president of Meal Prep Ottawa. Now, for anybody who doesn't know who Meal Prep Ottawa is, this is an institution. You guys are the foundation, you're the game. You set the book on Meal Prep in Ottawa, in my opinion.
Thank you.
In my opinion.
Thank you. That means a lot.
Thanks for taking the time to chat with us here today.
My pleasure.
Everybody knows Meal Prep Ottawa. A quick shout out, I was at the Blackjacks game last week. I'm sitting there with my son and I saw on the Jumbotron, Meal Prep Ottawa.
Right.
But you know what it was, Dennis? When I saw it, I was proud. I was proud because I know him and I know how hard he works, and I'm proud because we get to work together. And when it comes to meal prep in this city, delivery is key.
It's 100% key.
Right? And so we met 3 years ago. Right? Around 2021?
Yeah, that's right.
2021?
Absolutely.
And we've been working for a while now. So let me ask you this question. How has it been, obviously we know how important delivery is, but how has it been doing delivery with Trexity? What's the power you've gotten and the success rate through using us for your delivery?
It's just really simple. So we see you guys as a powerful tool for growth and expansion as well, right? So we're able to definitely stretch further than what we could before with other couriers. And at the same time, it's the ease of how your operation works, right? Where it's super easy to put our routes together and have a driver show up, deliver all our goods to our amazing customers throughout the city. And you become basically our most important partner for ourselves for growth, right? I think over the years, we've seen both of us come through some awesome growth spurts. We've both had our trials, our tribulations, our heartaches. And you know what? I love just doing business with people who are local people, a local company, a company that does wonderful things for the community, right? And this is basically why we're here today, to talk about a big $100,000 giveaway.
Yeah, we are.
Right?
We are.
Look at me taking away your spot now.
No.
Right?
I love this.
Yeah,
I love this.
And to be honest, this is amazing. Like, who does this, right? What company in Ottawa does something like that to say, we're going to give away $100,000 to support a small business and watch them and help them grow within the community? Amazing. Man.
Yeah, amazing. And that is why we're here today. I've had the chance, and Ottawa has had a chance to watch you grow this company right here in our city. Yeah. And you went from a small location to this state-of-the-art facility, which is gorgeous.
Thank you.
You've expanded in a very big way, right? Yes. And you've done it with authority. You are the authority for Ottawa when it comes to meal prep. But I gotta ask you this question because it's the one I'm asking everybody.
Right.
What would $100,000 mean and do for Meal Prep Ottawa?
I mean, I think for any small business that can land 100K, it's a game changer for all businesses, right? But for us, I think every penny will just stay in the community. We won't touch it as a company. It'll all just go back into charities that we work with.
Oh, I love that.
Probably start a charity of our own where we can work on building and helping and fostering people who need help within Ottawa. At the end of the day, the only reason we're successful is because of the people who live in Ottawa, right? That's so may as well just give back, right? We, as a company, we've been successful, we're happy, we're healthy. 100K would be amazing for us to be able to just say, you know what? Whether we do continue working with the Ronald McDonald's House for the Meals That Heal program with CHIO, or one in particular Aboriginal group here in Ottawa. Nice. And that's what all we would do, is just strengthen community ties through donating money and food and meals and helping support people in need in our community.
That's incredible. I got to say that was touching, man. That was incredible. And this is exactly why we love working with MPO and you and your entire team. So for anybody out there that wants to be just as cool as Denis and have a chance to win $100,000,
everyone's cooler than me, trust me.
all you have to do is go to Trexity.com/boost. Start delivering with Trexity, and you'll get a chance to get your ballot in to win $100,000 August 15th. Good luck, everybody. Denis, thank you so much. Can we go to the kitchen? I want to check out some food. I'm hungry.
Absolutely. Let's do that.
Let's do it. Thanks, buddy.